We're in the Grand Ideal Premier Hotel in Turkey. Coming through the door now. They're quite small rooms, but they're quite nice. I'll go in the bathroom first. The bathroom is quite small, but it's plenty for what you need. Got your sink, you got your shower. They give you clean towels every day. They give you, here's the fridge, fresh water every day. They also give you peach juice. It's all free, you don't have to pay for it. And they make sure that it's full every day, which is quite nice. The room itself is just what we need really. It's adequate. You got plugs for your chargers, and you got your safe. They give you fresh teas, coffees, but it's Coffee Mate every day as well. And our balcony. And the view from our balcony, you can see the sea. You can see the pool. Nice size balcony. There's a bar pool. It's all inclusive. So the drinks are fine. You can have beers, you can have vodka, gin, anything you want really, cider. It's quite a nice hotel, I would come back to it. This is the evening meals, bit of everything here. Soup, 2 different soups, bread, fruit, cheeses, all different cheeses. Chips, bit of everything. Noodles are lovely. Do you know what that is? Vegetable gratin. Plenty of choice. I think it's just a match of taste and everything really. You always got to carry every night. Got plenty of choice of desserts. They've also got an outside area where you can have like, you can have ice cream, which is lovely. I don't know what they got on tonight, we'll have a look now. Oh, that looks nice. Chicken sweet and sour. Meatballs on the grill. And they do absolutely beautiful gravy. So if you just fancy gravy and chips, you know, onto a winner. The entertainment board. In fairness, they put everything, they put things on for children, adults. It's not bad entertainment. There's a stage. The rooms are lovely. The top ones on the 5th floor, I viewed are very, very small. And people have bumped their heads on the beams, so... But I would come back to this hotel again. It's lovely. And it's near everything. There's a taxi ramp at the side of the hotel over there. And you go down there to the beach, which is about a 5-minute walk. It's a snacks that you can have in between meals. Usual pasty, pizzas, chips, kebab. Teas, coffees, water, juice, and there's the bar. The other side of the pool, they've got a long slide. Food was lovely this morning. It was a lovely breakfast, nice omelette. Pool from the balcony. It's quite a long pool. Quite cold this time of year, mind. A slide and a little pool. There's no shallow end, it's all deep all the way, same level all the way across. Deep.